Капитанский бортовой журнал 110.270.238.317.889.
Good morning, people. Wow, yesterday was a fucked up day. Drove to Montreal, did 2 deliveries, 1 pickup, another delivery here at the airport, which is nice. I never been at the Toronto airport. Shut up, Irina! And then when I arrived here, the people here knew that I wanted to leave early in the morning today, so they told the guy, Raj, to wait for me. So Raj waited for me, and then I helped him load the trailer, full trailer, to Calgary and Vancouver. So I went to sleep, I don't know, at 1 a.m. and then woke up at 7:30.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah. So now we have 13 hours to drive. I don't think we're gonna do them all. I think we're just gonna drive to Kapuskasing, run, take a shower, go to Walmart, upload this video, and go to fucking sleep, basically. But we will see. Maybe the day goes great and we reach somewhere further. This has to be one of the stupidest, the worst thing I can do, yeah. But look at this beauty. Oh, woo-wee! Nothing like a good Flying J pizza after a hard day work yesterday, and some sweet baby Jesus white monster. We invaded this shit, needs to go to hell, cause this shit is addictive. And some 7 days. This shit is crazy. Don't look at the water, this is just for show. I don't want to drink microplastics. Good morning from small room here in Kapuskasing. Super 8, which is very close to well, very close to AW, but very close also to Flying J. So I took a night here just to have time to edit. Had a good night's sleep, and oh boy, hopefully I have time to edit. Hopefully, time I have. Hopefully I will be productive today. But yesterday we drove from Brampton to Kapuskasing via Kirkin Lake and I think 673, and was a very enjoyable drive. I'm a company driver, so I cannot do it always or most of the time, but maybe one more in full autumn. Yeah, one more in full autumn, and then Highway 17 in full autumn, and do some drone shots that hopefully I can put now to see how I crashed my drone yesterday. This was funny. I don't know if you saw it on the live stream, but so after I did the overhang, the whatever drone shot, at the end I wanted to do like a flyby and go up, and I did a flyby and I went up into the trees, and that was nice. And the margin, the entry into the forest was kind of stacked with dead trees and stuff like that and big bushes, so it was a little bit sketchy, and I was expecting the drone to be dead. So I took my long pants, I already have safety shoes, I took my gloves and a baseball bat. The baseball bat, I didn't take it for I'm not gonna fight a bear with the baseball bat, but I took it just to test the ground and beat the bushes away. Found the drone. It was nice to go into the forest because I was doing that a lot when I was young, and to my surprise only one propeller was broken, which I have I think 4 or 5 at home, so we are good. We're gonna stay today here, do some running because they have like what do you call it, not running machine, treadmill. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, so a little bit slow. They have a treadmill, so I'm gonna do some running, and then tomorrow morning, Monday morning, we're heading out to Calgary.